On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 2 of 4 on off-the-job safety with fall prevention tips for home and recreational activities. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. It's not just the work and things that you do at your facility that are going to affect safety, it's off-the-job activities as well. Today we're going to be covering ladder safety that you can do at home, and here are 4 tips to help you get started. So the very first thing is use the right ladder. Make sure that you're not using a ladder that is damaged or bent or has any sort of fractures in it or anything like that. Make sure that you're using a good ladder that's going to support you and is the right ladder for the job. Number 2, make sure that you inspect your ladder. That should have really been number 1, but it's something that when you look at the ladder, if there's anything wrong with it right off the jump, don't use it. If it looks unsafe, it's probably going to be unsafe. And number 3 is going to be setting ladders on stable ground. You're going to see this in the form of not only having it on a stable place to where it's not wiggling or something like that, but make sure that it's also not too far out where when you step on it, it slides out from underneath you. Just make sure that you're either A, on absolutely stable ground, or B, preferably that you have somebody holding the ladder, especially not only for safety, but if you should fall off the ladder, there's someone there that can alert someone or help you. And it'll keep you off of a YouTube video for bloopers. And last but not least, number 4, and that is when you're inside, please use proper tools. Don't stand on chairs. Don't stand on furniture. Make sure that if you're using a household step ladder, you don't stand on the top rung. And again, just like outside, make sure that you have a buddy if you can, because if you were to, for some reason or another, fall off, we want to make sure that you're safe and that there's someone there to alert the powers that be. So those are 4 steps that are going to help you with off-the-job safety and hopefully keep you from hurting yourself. Until we talk next time, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.